Sheikh, how can I get away from evil thoughts? Change the environment. Change the environment. Change your, the materials that you watch. Change the materials that you read. Change the materials that you are, going across and seeing things. So that way, change your mind. Divert your mind. Even if you don't like to study like any religious thing, or you don't have the access to that, then do some other things. Go to the documentaries which speaks about the nature. Go to the documentaries. So change your mind and divert your mind to the things which are unevil. Then inshallah automatically your thoughts will change, because whatever the things you are doing around you, that put the impacts on your mind, in your brain, your thinking. So when you are alone, even in your salah, those evil thoughts will come. So avoid the evil things surrounding you, and then inshallah you will see that your mind will change. Like for example, I always used to pray, read Quran before starting my prayers. So even while I'm praying in the salah and I'm reading the Quran, the verses will come appear in front of me. Even when I'm in the sajda, verses will come in front of my eyes if I have read it. So that's very clear, because just immediately before starting the prayer, I was reading the Quran. So that gives the impression on your brain.